Hi my dazzlers, welcome back. Oh my god, I know I'm shooting after a long time, but I got a bunch of products for you guys and I'm gonna test those. Every single person is talking about the Zudio makeup. I went to Zudio and I got a bunch of products for you guys because I wanted to test out these products for you guys. Kyuki, I don't know, lipstick for 99, wet wipe for 29. I've got some eye products and mostly lip products like lip gloss, lipstick, lip balms. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I've got 17 products for 2,233 rupees only. First of all, I am going to test their beauty blender and this is just for 79 rupees. मैंने अभी तक packaging भी नहीं खोला है because I wanted to do everything in front of you guys. It feels like the normal makeup beauty blender that I always use and it looks also very pretty. तो अभी मैंने इसको wet कर लिया है and it is the size of a normal beauty blender and it feels like extremely soft. I'm so sorry about the noise outside because society में कुछ काम हो रहा है. It's the K-Beauty foundation. So I'll just take this much foundation and not bad at all guys. This is just like any other beauty blender. How beautifully it blended my foundation. It's the same quality like the ones which are priced at, I don't know, 400, 200. It's the same. Oh wow. I mean, this is amazing. Like, I don't even know. अब से तो मैं शायद Zudio का ही beauty blender use करूँगी because this is amazing. First product, pass. It's their eye shine eyeshadow. Packaging really looks good. It's in the shade Champagne. Yeah, let's try it. It's just for 199 rupees. I thought it's a tube. It's got an applicator and not bad. And I'm going to blend it with my fingers. It dries up super quick. Check it out for yourself. I was worried that it'll give me some kind of streaks or something. Just look at the pigmentation and then I'll blend it with my fingers. But it dries out super quick, so you have to be really fast when you blend it. And it blends like a dream. Oh my god, what is Zudio doing, guys? It's amazing. It's superb. I mean, look at this for 199 rupees only. But I'm not gonna lie, thoda fingers mein lag raha hai, but then mostly it's like not transferring at all. This is a really good product, guys. I am sold. This is the Zudio eyeliner. It's enriched with argan oil. It's smudge proof and waterproof. It's for 99 rupees and this is how the wand looks like. The wand is like super flexible. It's not stiff. Extremely easy to apply. It's quite easy to do the wing with this because the tip is extremely thin. Only thing I don't like about this is it does not dry up to be matte. So even after it has dried, आपको तभी भी थोड़ा shine दिखेगा on your eyes, which I would not want. I don't know, I prefer a more matte look in eyeliners. अगर आपको इससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है because it's just 99 rupees, you can definitely go for it. It is smudge proof. Let's check if it's waterproof or not. So I'm just gonna spray some water on my hand. It is definitely not waterproof. Eyeliner is a no for me. Let's try the kajal. It's for 79 rupees. And it's the Intense Kajal enriched with vitamin E and it is also smudge proof. Again, their packaging is really good. It is jet black and I'll just tight line my eyes with this. ज़्यादा घिसना नहीं पड़ा मुझे and it's really quick. It's smudging, it's not really smudge proof. So don't go with the label that it's smudge proof. It is not. Eyeliner and kajal will be a no for me. I need to clean my hands, so I'll also try their wet wipe right now. This is just for 29 rupees. It's very soft. There are some wet wipes which are not that soft, but this one is extremely soft. Next, I have their mascara. Their volumizing and lengthening mascara. It is water resistant. I don't know if I would like to believe that It's just for 199 rupees, and this is how the packaging looks like. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove my eyeliner because आप लोगों को समझ नहीं आएगा कि mascara कैसा है with the eyeliner on. I mean, one really good thing about this is that it's not clumping my eyelashes at all. I mean, I'm like really trying hard and want this product to work. You can compare this eye to this eye. My eyelashes, they're like non-existent, and इसको apply करने के बाद it feels like, okay, I have got eyelashes. That's what it's got, but then what it claims to be lengthening and volumizing, तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं लग रहा है. So this is how it looks like after applying 2 coats of the mascara. No, it's not good. You can skip the mascara, guys, because I'm not a fan of it. So this mascara will also be a no for me. Now it's time for us to try the lipsticks. I'm so excited for this. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 lip products, and I can't wait to try them. So the first product that I am going to try is the Juicy Lip Balm. I love the packaging. It's like bubbly pink color. What do you call it? Bubbly pink. And it's in the shade Strawberry Crush. Oh, this is only for 149 rupees. Oh, it smells so good. Why does it have like scrub-like particles? Oh my god, my lips are on fire. It's like tingling. Is it a plump lip gloss or anything? I'm not sure. It just says Juicy Lip Balm and then it's got scrub-like particles. It's not smooth at all, guys, and it's not my lips, okay? 100%. It's not my lips because I scrubbed my lips. This is how the product looks like, and then when I touch it, it seems like very fine sand-like particles in it. So once you apply it, the grainy particles, they're gone now. It's like a normal lip balm. The texture feels like smooth. I really feel like it just plumped up my lips. I don't know what it did, but definitely there was some serious tingling sensation going on my lips. This is more like a gloss that you apply on your lips with an applicator. Oh, I definitely feel like it plumped up my lips. This product is fun, so you can go for it if you want your lips to get plumped up a little. I don't see any color when I apply it on my hands, but it is keeping my lips soft and smooth. So maybe because of that it's called a lip balm, because it moisturizes your lips a little bit. But then it's definitely a gloss. So if you want a fun gloss, you can go for it. So if you want a lip plumper for 149 rupees, then definitely go for it. So for me, this will be a thumbs up. I'm gonna try the next product. It's called Lip Tint from Zudio, and this is in the shade Creme Pink Peony. I'm a fan of the packaging. Oh my god, it is such a pretty shade. It is smooth, it's buttery. It's very smooth when you apply it on your lips, okay? But then it will give you a streaky thing on your lips like most inexpensive products do. Product does not blend with your lips well. I really don't know what to say. If you can work it out, then it's fine. If you can just blend it with your fingers, it'll do the job. I don't know, the color is really pretty. It's just for 149 rupees, guys. I can just overlook that fact. I would also want to try it on my cheeks as a blush, because I feel like this is gonna be a really pretty blush color. So for 149 you're getting a blush as well as lipstick. Not bad at all. 149 rupees mein aur kitna chahiye? Okay, so the next product is this Zudio lipstick. It's in the shade Satin Fling. This shade is really pretty. I love this shade for everyday wear. This is wow. I definitely love this product more than the previous one because this has got good pigmentation. Oh my god, I love it. Guys, do get this lipstick. It's just for 149 rupees and this is an amazing color. I love this color. So pretty, so apt for everyday wear. It just feels so soft, so buttery, so moisturized. So this one is a yes for me. Next are these two products. These are for 99 rupees only. One is their matte lipstick, the other one is their creme lipstick. So I'm just gonna apply the creme first. This is in the shade Blush Nude. This is the shade and it's like the lightest pink shade ever. The shade is pretty, but again, it does not give enough coverage. but for 99 rupees, I think this is very pretty. But then I feel like the lipstick, it just moves around your lips whenever you're doing this. It just shifts the lip color. For that reason, this one for 99 rupees, the creme one, will be a no for me. Let's try the hot red matte shade. This is the shade. It's definitely not a hot red. Ooh, I don't know, when I applied it on my hands, the shade was something else. When I apply it on my lips, it's some other shade. But I do like the shade on my lips more. How are they saying that this is matte? I don't see it's matte. It's not matte at all. But the shade looks so good, guys. Honestly. Guys, this is not matte at all. Nope, not matte at all, even after 5 minutes. So this product is a no for me. Next product that I'm gonna try is their lip color. This is in the shade Blush Pink, and this is for 149 rupees. So this is how the shade is. Again, I like the color. Okay guys, it's dried now, and this is transfer proof, completely transfer proof. Again, the color payoff is not that great because you can still see through your lips. So this product is a no for me because it's not, the color payoff is not that great. The next color is this Berry Blast. This is the shade and it seems like it's pretty. Ooh. One thing I noticed is whenever the color is dark, the color payoff is good, but whenever they have a light colored product, like a light colored lipstick or something, the color payoff is not that great. I really like the color. Just letting it dry. Okay, there you go. As soon as you mum your lips like this, the color transfers. So half of the color is gone from my bottom lip and it's got transferred to the upper lip. So it's like very sticky. So again, this will be a no for me. The next product that I'm going to try is this plump lip gloss. It's called Tingling Lip Gloss. I love their packaging. So, oh my god, see, half of the packaging is empty. Like I can really feel it that half is empty. This one says that it's plump, so I'm expecting some serious tingling sensation. It tastes spicy, guys. Lips are on fire. Okay, this lip gloss is just for 149 rupees and I am sure this is gonna plump up my lips because of the amount of tingling sensation going on my lips right now. Feeling is very uncomfortable. This truly feels like I have actually rubbed chili powder on my lips right now. So I will say this product is a no for me. Also guys, all the noise that you hear is because my cook is here and she's cooking right now. Don't do this to your lips, guys. Okay, so the next product is this lip color and lip gloss. This is in the shade Delicate. So one side is supposed to be matte, the other side is supposed to be a gloss, and this is their lip drip. So let's try their matte side first. Guys, am I being too harsh on these products? Because these products are just for 149, or I don't know. This one is for 199 rupees. And I feel like even if it's like inexpensive, it should work. That's all I feel. So I'm not taking the price point. And this time I'm just taking into consideration if this product will work for you or not. Actually, on second thoughts, I really like this color now. Okay, this one for sure is transfer proof. Now I am going to try their lip gloss on top of this. Okay, first of all, the applicator is shitty because it is like super thin and it's not applying. Like I constantly have to go in, get some gloss and then apply it constantly. It's kind of a waste of time for me. And when I apply the gloss, this is kind of messing up the matte lipstick. So what's the point? If you want to use the matte color separately and the gloss separately, then that will work for you. But then if you are using it together, it's gonna mess up big time. This product is a no for me. I'm not even kidding, guys. Do not get this. Next one I got is this lip gloss. It's a shimmer lilac lip gloss, and this is for 149 rupees. Kind of feel like it's the unicorn lip gloss. The quality of the gloss is really good. I feel like it's a kid's makeup applicator, but the gloss feels good on the lips. It really looks good, and so it's a thumbs up for me. Okay, so the last product is this Zudio gloss. It is for 99 rupees only. Packaging looks pretty. It smells legit like cough syrup. Oh, I absolutely hate the shade. This is what the shade looks like. When it's on my lips, it just looks washed out. And it smells like cough syrup. So this one is also a no for me. The only lip thing that I really liked is this lip balm, juicy lip balm. I love the applicator. It's got a very broad, wide applicator, and it really feels good on the lips. Smells really good too. That was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want me to try any other inexpensive brands or any other brands, you can just comment down below. Also, I was missing for a couple of days, but now I am back. I will be honest to you guys, I wasn't feeling that motivated to make videos. You guys can make me feel better by commenting down below what next to shoot. Just cheer me up, guys, in the comment section. Also, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. Most of you guys who watch my videos, they're not subscribed to my channel, almost 80% of the people, which just breaks my heart every single time. If you can just share this video with your loved ones, I'll be really, really happy. And I love you so much. And yeah, that's it. I will see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.